Okay, morning guys. Once again, we're going to turn and show you and demonstrate and everything else of how to turn around and set up the pressure reducing valve. Now, first thing we need to turn and do is make sure that we've got our quick release couplings hooked up into the back of the tractor correctly. Make sure that they are connected, because otherwise nothing is going to flow through the machine for it to work. Now, around this side here, we get the odd person there that rings us up and okay, it's in the manual of how to set the pressure reducing valve, but sometimes being shown is easier than reading a manual. A bit like when you're trying to turn and set your TV up there. It looks easy in the manual, but it becomes very confusing. So with this part here, we've got the pressure reducing valve, and this part sets down the amount of pressure that we can bring down on the post. Now, by doing that there, if we didn't have this in here, as the machine would come down, it would touch the post and it would then start to lift up into the air. So what we turn around and do, we can give it one full turn in, we can lift it up, put a post underneath it. The post only has to be 1200 high, bring it down. If nothing happens, we then turn around and give it another full clockwise turn in. Lift it up, let it bring it back down. If it still doesn't lift these legs off the ground, we might go another full turn. And then we'll lift it up off the post, bring it back down. All of a sudden, these feet, they come off the ground and just keep on going up into the air. Well, we don't want that to happen. So then we'll come back up to our pressure reducing valve. We will raise the power cell up so these feet come back down to the ground, and we might get the pressure reducing valve and we might back it off a quarter of a turn. Bring it back down, touches the post, but the feet keep on coming up. Okay, so we will then back it off another a quarter of a turn. Bring it back down on the post, and the feet can't get off the ground, so we might just give it just a tweak until the point where the feet here are trying to get off the ground, but just can't quite continue to move. That means you've got the overall weight and the pressure of the machine on your post. Once that's done, lock up the locking nut here, and that's it. You don't touch it again. Thanks for watching.